Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can create a TradingView account. Having an account is essential to save charts, layouts, alerts, and use premium features. So the first thing that you will have to do is go to the official TradingView website, which is on tradingview.com. And once you're here, you will just have to click Get Started, and you will just have to wait for it to load. And yeah, what you will have to do is select a plan, of course. But if you don't want any of this plan, then you could also sign up for free. So just go ahead and click sign up. And now that you're here, you will either just have to choose a sign up method between Facebook if it's available for you, or Twitter, Yahoo, Apple, or LinkedIn or Google. So yeah, so once you've already chosen any of that, you will just have to fill in information like your email, and then of course you will set your username and then create password, and then you will have to accept the terms. And then after that, you will just have to verify your account by checking your email and by clicking your verification link. And then yeah, that's basically just it. And once you're done signing up, you will just have to log in to access your charts, watch lists, and alerts. And yeah, that's basically how you can create your TradingView account and start using all of its powerful trading tools. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope to see you in the next one.